Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and please consider hitting the subscribe button because I post content around home styling, deco, DIYs, plants, thrifts, and everything nice. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome and welcome back, and I always appreciate you coming back to watch my videos. So on today's video, we're going to be making a wooden slat wall, my accent wall, and I just started by getting pine, like 8 feet of pine wood, because I wanted the wood to look as natural as possible, and I love the grains on the pine. So after I had stained my wood, like you have seen, I cut it into the size that I needed it to be. Make sure when you're bringing it into the house, the stain that you have or the paint that you have applied is totally dry. So I went ahead and took my double-sided tape, but this method did not work because the wood kept falling off. I think the double-sided tape was not strong enough. It said it holds up to 1 kg, so I tried to distribute the weight, but it just didn't hold. I was trying this method because I did not want to drill so many holes into the wall, because I wanted the project to be as rent-up friendly as possible. If you attempt this project, I advise you to get the nano double-sided tape, the transparent one. It won't disappoint. So this is how I ended up attaching the wood slat to the wall. I just drilled some holes before, and then I used it to mark the place I wanted to drill on the wall. So to make sure everything was lining up smoothly, I just used this piece of wood as my spacer and the level to make sure everything was lining up nicely.
Cause God knows I want ya. You're taking everything for me, you don't even know. Your soul inside the agony. You stop for a second, breathe. I'll turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough.
So when I reached the switch area, a happy accident happened. I had not factored in this space when I was counting the wood slats, but I had extra from the 4 feet that I had cut from the whole piece. So for this piece I was avoiding drilling on the wall, because this line is where the electrical fittings are. So I just cut like the exact measurements, so that when I just put it, it just stayed. But I'll add the double-sided tape at this point because I cannot drill. If you have watched this far, please consider hitting the subscribe button so that you can support my channel and you can help me grow. I'd really appreciate that. Just a tip, when you're buying wood for this kind of projects, like the ones that are laying on the flat on the wall, always try to find the most straight, like the most straight piece that you can find, and also it should be very dry, so that when if it's wet, when it dries, it always cramps up. So I went ahead and finished with the last pieces, using the same process I was doing before, and I just maintained a straight line with the screws so that the planter will try to hide them. So this is how my project turned out. I think it looks great, and I think I will leave the strip that is not painted, that is not stained like that, so that it just acts like a highlight, and I love it. Yeah, I did not anticipate this project to be as challenging as it was in the beginning, but once I put down the first two, I got the rhythm, and the rest were easier. Please let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because it will help me grow. And also, if you are going to try out this project, let me know down in the comment section and leave your Instagram so that I can check it out. Yeah, thank you, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you, and bye.